Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to follow a hashtag on Instagram. So to do this process, first thing is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Instagram application. And one thing that you should understand, guys, that as of today, you can no longer directly follow hashtags on Instagram as the feature was removed in 2024. But I have some alternative solutions for you. So you just simply go ahead and select the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now over here, you can just simply select search at the top. And now from here, for example, I am going to follow a hashtag skate. So pretty much it will be depending on your keyword. So here, just simply provide your hashtag that you might want to consider. And now here, you will have an option over here, hashtag. So you will have multiple options over here that you might want to search. So you could search it manually for all of the people who have posted with a specific hashtag, or you could just simply select the three dots on the top right corner. Now you could just simply go ahead and select the specific posts that you might want to see more often. And you will have an option at the top right corner where it has hearts with the two lines. And now you can customize your algorithm. So here, what you want to see more of. I'm gonna select add over here. I'm gonna go for skate. And after that, just simply select check and select the send icon down below over here. And you should be able to have more reels about skateboarding over here. So pretty much this is the alternative way to do this process. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.